In 1978, as disco ruled the airwaves and personal computers were just beginning to enter homes, a group of visionaries saw the need for standardized IT knowledge. Little did they know, they were about to change the tech world forever. Today, we're teaching AI to dream. The twist? That old cert still matters. Welcome to the tech certification time machine. From disco to AI, we're racing through IT history. Buckle up. By the end, you'll know which cert is your golden ticket to tech success. Ready for a mind-bending ride through the evolution of IT credentials? Let's go. Picture this. It's 1978. While everyone's grooving to disco, some tech visionaries are creating CISA. These folks were the original IT detectives, making sure all those newfangled computer systems were secure and shipshape. Perfect for you if you love diving deep into processes and have a keen eye for detail. It's advanced stuff, so maybe not your first cert, but definitely one to aim for if you're heading towards senior IT audit roles, even today. CISA certified pros command salaries averaging around $110,000. As we move into the 80s, businesses start realizing that managing tech projects isn't just about knowing the tech. 1984, PMP, Project Management Professional. The Project Management Institute drops PMP, the Swiss Army knife for tech project managers. Suddenly, managing IT projects becomes a recognized skill. If you're a natural leader with a few years of project experience under your belt, this cert could be your ticket to the big leagues of IT project management. PMP holders often see a 20% increase in their salary. The late 80s bring a new focus on security and service management. 1989, CSP and ITIL 1989. What a year. The Berlin Wall falls, and CISP and ITIL rise. CSSP holders become the James Bonds of cybersecurity, while ITIL brings some much-needed order to the IT service chaos. CISP is the gold standard for security pros, but it's no walk in the park. You'll need 5 years of experience to even qualify. ITIL, on the other hand, is great for anyone looking to understand how IT services should be delivered. It's a solid choice if you're aiming for an IT management role. As personal computers become mainstream in the 90s, a new need arises. 1993, CompTIA A+. CompTIA A+ bursts onto the scene. It's like getting your learner's permit in the IT world.
I know how computers work, Mom.
This is your go-to entry-level cert. If you're just starting out in IT or looking to formalize your self-taught skills, A+ is your best friend. It's vendor neutral and covers a broad range of fundamentals. Perfect for launching your IT career. A+ certified pros often start at $40,000, $50,000. Not bad for entry level. The late 90s see the internet boom, creating a demand for networking specialists. 1998, CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. The internet is booming, and CCNA becomes your captain's license for the seas of networking. I'm the master of the router. If you're fascinated by how data travels and want to specialize in networking, CCNA is your next step after A+. It's challenging but opens doors to lucrative networking careers, often with salaries over $80,000. 1999, GIAC Security Essentials, GSEC. As the millennium approaches, GIAC says, hey, security is kind of important, right? GSEC becomes the go-to cert for those serious about cybersecurity. It's a great next step if you've got some IT experience and want to pivot into security. More hands-on than many security certs, it's perfect for those who learn by doing. The early 2000s see a growing focus on cybersecurity. 2002, CompTIA Security Plus and CISM. The digital world is growing, and so are the threats. Security Plus becomes Cybersecurity 101, while CISM turns you into a general in the cyber war. Security Plus is your entry point into cybersecurity. Less intimidating than CISA and a natural progression from A+. CISM, on the other hand, is for those aiming for leadership in information security. It's advanced, so keep it on your long-term goals list. 2003, CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Want to be a digital Robin Hood? CEH is your ticket. I hack, but for good. If you get a kick out of finding vulnerabilities and have a solid networking background, CEH could be your jam. It's hands-on, exciting, and can lead to some of the coolest jobs in cybersecurity, often with six-figure salaries. As networks become more complex, a stepping stone to CCNA emerges. 2009, CompTIA Network Plus. Network Plus joins the party. It's like A+, cooler, more network-savvy cousin. If you're not ready for CCNA but want to specialize in networking, Network Plus is your stepping stone. It's vendor neutral and a great way to prove your networking chops. When choosing between Network Plus and CCNA, consider your experience level and career goals. Network Plus is great for beginners, while CCNA is ideal if you are committed to the Cisco ecosystem. The rise of open source leads to a new certification. 2010, Red Hat Certified System Administrator, RHCSA. Linux lovers rejoice. RHCSA becomes the badge of honor for those who can tame the penguin. If you're all about open source and love tinkering with operating systems, RHCSA is for you. It's hands-on and performance-based, so be ready to prove your Linux skills in real time. As cloud computing takes off, new certifications emerge. 2015, CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional, and Google Cloud Professional Architect. The cloud is no longer just something in the sky. CCSP and Google's Cert turn you into a cloud security guru, an architecture wizard. CCSP is perfect if you're in security and want to specialize in cloud. The Google Cert is your ticket if you're all in on Google Cloud and want to design scalable, reliable cloud architectures. 2017, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner and CompTIA CISA+. AWS says, speak our language, while CompTIA ups the ante on cybersecurity analysis. Cloud Practitioner is your entry point into the AWS ecosystem. Great for anyone, even non-technical roles. CISA Plus is perfect if you're into threat detection and want to move into a more analytical security role. 2018, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Microsoft jumps into the cloud certification game. Azure, you ready for this? This is your starting point for all things Azure. It's beginner-friendly and a must if you're in a Microsoft-centric organization looking to move to the cloud. As AI becomes more prevalent, new certifications emerge to meet the demand. 2020, Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. AI meets the cloud. This cert is like getting your license to create Skynet, but hopefully friendlier. If you're already cloud savvy and want to specialize in AI services on Azure, this is your next step. It's advanced, so come prepared with some solid Azure experience. 2022 and beyond. The AI revolution. Hold on to your neural networks because AI is taking over. Let's break these down into categories. Technical AI certifications. IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. Perfect for data professionals wanting to pivot into AI. It's comprehensive and hands-on. Google's Professional Machine Learning Engineer. If you're already a software engineer and want to specialize in ML, this is your cert. NVIDIA, Certified Associate in AI and Generative AI. Great for developers wanting to leverage NVIDIA's AI tools. It's cutting-edge stuff. Academic AI certifications. Harvard's Professional Certificate in Computer Science for AI. Ideal if you want a solid theoretical foundation in AI from a prestigious institution. MIT's Professional Certificate in Machine Learning and AI. Perfect for tech professionals wanting to apply machine learning to data analysis. It's rigorous but rewarding. Stanford's AI Graduate Certificate. If you're aiming for leadership in AI development, this is your holy grail. Business-focused AI certification. UC Berkeley's AI Business Strategies. For the business-minded folks who want to leverage AI. No heavy coding required. But wait, there's more. We're seeing certs pop up for AI ethics, ChatGPT specialization, and even AI for digital transformation. It's like the Wild West out there, but instead of gold, everyone's rushing for AI knowledge. So, what's the takeaway from this whirlwind tour? The world of IT certs is always evolving. From the early days of making sure computers simply worked, to now teaching machines to think for themselves, there's always something new to learn. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Pick a certification path that excites you. Whether it's networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or teaching robots to dream, there's a cert out there with your name on it. Remember, in the tech world, learning never stops. These certs aren't just fancy pieces of paper. They're your ticket to the future. They show employers you're not just talking the talk, but walking the walk. Or should I say, coding the code. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all these options, don't worry. I've created a free guide breaking down the top 10 most in-demand certs right now. It's like a cheat code for your tech career. Click the link in the description to download it. Thanks for joining me on this crazy ride through certification history. If you enjoyed this trip down tech memory lane, smash that like button and subscribe for more digital wisdom. Don't forget to grab that free guide. Until next time, keep learning, stay certified, and may your AI assistants always understand your context.